When I saw your hoist, the size and the weight was the first thing that really jumped out at me.
It felt a lot more manageable. You're not lifting that heavy piece of equipment in the air, you're just lifting the chain and hooking it on.
With the remote clipped to my vest, I can be in the lift performing the work while actuating the chain fall.
The benefit of the remote is I can be almost anywhere and use it. I don't have to be near the load that's being lifted. I can be away from it in a safe zone. The battery light on that remote does help, so I know whether we have enough battery to do that lift or we need to switch it up.
Being able to rig the chain hoist from inverted or the standard orientation is a very versatile thing that helps me be able to avoid lots of obstruction, especially in existing construction.
You don't have to pull out extension cords if you're using an electric hoist. It's fantastic.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.